am Dr. Swachla, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. Mr. Ahmed has asked us a question in one of our videos as comments. That is, semen analysis has given a report of active motility of so-and-so, sluggish and non-motile so-and-so, morphology and all. Firstly, I would like to say that the reporting that has been given is an old format of WHO, World Health Organization. The newer format distinguishes motility based on its progression, non-progression and being immotile. Progression is anything that moves, non-progression is alive but it's not moving. Immotile is when it is not moving but we don't know if it's dead or alive. So, according to the latest guidelines of World Health Organization, progressive should be more than 32%. So, if we count 100, at least 32 or more should be progressively motile. And the total motile count of progression and non-progression, because they are alive, we are sure for that, should be more than 40%. So, this is the actual way motility should be assessed. While morphology, you said it is 70%, that is also the older version. The newer version says that 4% is the normal range of morphologically normal sperms, which means that out of 100, even if you get 4 morphologically good sperms, we have to give the report as normal. What does that mean? It means that we have to be very strict in evaluating the sperms morphologically based on their shape. Because our staining methods are much better now, our microscopes are far superior, our microscopes are even better, even how they were a decade back. So the onus is on the technician or the embryologist performing semen analysis to be strict about morphological grading and also motility assessment, and then give a report which is accurate. If there is a doubt about the kind of report that has been generated, another sample is taken 3 days later and the evaluation is repeated. If the motility is low, it is called as an asthenozoospermic sample. If the morphology is low, the report is called as teratozoospermic sample. If both are not good, then it is called as an asthenoteratozoospermic sample. If you wish to understand more about semen analysis or want to get the investigation performed at Ziva, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.